Ever wondered why we're all into DIY these days? It's a fascinating mix of sociology, psychology, and even economics. From a psychological perspective, DIY projects offer a sense of accomplishment and creativity. When we create something with our own hands, it gives us a dopamine boost, making us feel more satisfied and capable. Sociologically, the rise of DIY culture reflects a shift towards self-sufficiency and individuality. People are moving away from mass-produced goods and looking for unique, personalized items. This trend is also fueled by social media platforms, where DIY tutorials and finished projects are shared, creating a community of makers and inspiring others to join in. Economically, DIY can be a cost-effective way to get what you want without spending a lot of money. The financial crunch faced by many has led to a resurgence in making things at home, whether it's furniture, clothes, or even home renovations. Moreover, the pandemic played a significant role in this trend. With more time spent at home, people turned to DIY as a productive and enjoyable way to pass the time. Understanding why we're all DIYing now involves recognizing our desire for creativity, individuality, community, and cost-effectiveness. So, why are we all diving into DIY? It fulfills our need for personal expression, connects us with like-minded individuals, and offers practical solutions in challenging times. It's not just a hobby, it's a cultural movement,